Alright guys, welcome. I just wanted to make a real quick video. If you're getting stuck trying to withdraw your BNB to the Binance Smart Chain to do yield farming or whatever else, this might be the issue, or likely is the issue. So you can see I'm on Binance, I've got my BNB, I'm ready to withdraw. I go to my MetaMask, I've got that all set up, I'm on the Smart Chain, I've done all that. I'm feeling good. I copy my address. What the heck? So the issue is what I'm set up for is a Binance Smart Chain. What I need to do, see the BEP2 is actually the Binance chain. So what you need to do is you need to create a Binance chain wallet and you can link that with your MetaMask. Now what's going to happen in this is there's the Binance chain and there's the Binance Smart Chain. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Binance chain, copy the address there, and you're going to want to withdraw. So you can see I already have mine waitlisted. You're going to want to withdraw into the Binance chain. Once you have the BNB in the Binance chain, then you're going to need to transfer it to the Smart Chain. So I can click Smart Chain, I can copy this address, I can go back to this Binance chain, I can send it, I can pick my Binance Smart Chain address, which is the same as your MetaMask address. So you can see this is the same, and you can see this looks like an ETH address. It looks like an ERC20 address. So that's how you know the difference. And it says cross-chain transfer to Binance Smart Chain. Yep, that's exactly what I want to do. Pick your amount, bada boom, bada bing, send it. Then you can go back in here or just go straight to your MetaMask. I usually go here just to check. Yep, okay, looks good. I got 0.595 in here. And now if I go into my MetaMask, you could see the number's the same. Smart Chain, same wallet address, and there we go, my 0.595 BNB. So if you're stuck, this might help you out. There's a really good video by the CryptoDad that walks through this entire process from Binance, doing this, setting up the wallet. So you know he has a really nice video. I'm going to link that in the description. But this is just if you're kind of doing it and you get stuck. This is just a little trick for you. Anyway, hopefully it helps you out. And hit like if it helped you out, and share it. Thanks.